that puts me in survival mode. And when I'm in survival mode, guess what? There is no relaxation hormones. I do not foster that goodwill that's very, very key to building relationships. Aha, something else that high-performing teams are supposed to do. Build relationships. When I'm in a very anxious state, think about what you're like when you're stressed, first and foremost. For those of us in the room that know what it's like to be stressed, think about what you're typically like. Are you impatient? Do you find yourself snapping a little bit more? Being a little bit more critical, but not in a nice way? Yeah. How many people in here have had family members and friends that have said to them, you know what, honey, I actually prefer you when you're stressed out? Do you have any people that tell you that? You probably don't. Do they know what you're like? And it's very interesting to hear how some people tell me that this plays out in the workforce. And you know what? And even though people may joke about it, it actually tends to start eroding teams, because then it becomes the office joke. It's a joke, but it's kind of not a joke. It's real. When people say, you know what? Sally hasn't had her coffee yet, so you better not go anywhere near her. Don't go anywhere. Don't even try to talk to her until she's had her coffee. And there are certain things that people will say because guess what? A lot of people that we work with, they know, they cue into things that we may not be as cognizant of. Now tell me that that doesn't impact the team.